guys, welcome to another Saturday meal, and this time seems like this week is all about seafood. So we are going to fry up some oysters and some shrimp. In this bowl I have a cup of flour. I am going to use my seafood mix, and I'm going to use about maybe a cup and a half if you don't want it grainy. I'm just going to mix it up. Keep stirring that up. Okay. All right. I might add just a little more. There. And you can get the Kiki's Famous Seafood Mix at www.carlissspices.com. Okay, now that's ready. In this blue bowl, my blue bowl, I have my oysters and shrimp in buttermilk, just soaking. So what I'm going to do is carefully take this out and batter it. And the shrimp as well. Okay, so I finished breading up the oysters and the shrimp. So I already have my pot heated, and now I'm getting ready to plop these, well, don't plop them in, lay them in. You don't want to overcrowd your pan. And you want to wait maybe about 3 minutes. You really don't have to turn them over because I'm deep frying these. I'm going to move this real quick. They're getting firm. And remember to preheat your pot. My setting for me to preheat this is to 6. Then you put your oil in. Okay, I think my shrimp is done. And they are a little crispy. You can let them get brown if you want to, but I wouldn't, because when you're overcooking your oysters,
yes. Oh, you get shrimp and oysters.
That's how it's looking. All right, I'm gonna put the next batch in. So here it is, guys. Here is my oysters and my shrimp. Deep fried oyster, deep fried shrimp with the bang bang sauce and some wedge of lemons. Again, have this with your tea or your favorite beverage that you like to make, and give me a thumbs up